If I select 1 hour time frame, it means every 1 hour. So this time frame has a rule. There is a time frame rule. You will see bars, you will see halo candles, line markets, and all of that. And how do this candlestick just appear? So guys, previously I told you guys that I will be showing you how to search for currency pairs. You know, we learned about currencies, crypto, indices, and metals. But the question is, where can you find all these currency pairs? That is why today I'll be teaching you guys everything you need to know about TradingView. So what you are seeing here is known as market. And for you to get this is tradingview.com. When we started this video, I listed the tools that we needed to get started as a forex trader, and TradingView was among. So if you've not watched that video, go back and watch the videos to know the tools. Now, this is how to use TradingView. Okay, first of all, we call this thing, everything you are seeing here, we call it market, or you can call it chart, C-H-A-R-T. You call it chart or you call it market. Now, starting from my left side, from here, these things are the tools that we use for analysis. We use these tools to determine the direction of the market and know exactly where to buy and where to sell. So don't worry guys, we'll be practicing with all those tools. I will teach you guys every single thing that you need to know about them. Now, from my left side, when you see this P, this is just like my email. You see, this is my Gmail that I logged in. This is my name. Okay, so you are to log in this Gmail so that everything that you are doing on this particular site or app will be saved automatically. Remember, I told you guys TradingView has an app. It also operates on site, right? So if you log in your Gmail, every single thing you are doing will be saved in this place, even in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years. Now, coming from my left side, you will see here XAUUSD. Look at this place, XAUUSD. And when you click on it, this is where you can be able to search any currency pair. Let's say, for example, we search GBPUSD. Now, it will come out with the meaning of GBPUSD, right? If you notice, there is a lot of GBPUSDs here. Now, I recommend you go with Forex.com. Forex.com. This is the one that I recommend. I will tell you guys why there is a lot of GBPUSD on this chart. Okay, so this is how to search any currency that you want to search. You can just start typing AUD JPY. It will come out. All right, so this is how to search all those currency pairs. Now you know how to search these particular currency pairs, metals that we've learned so far. Okay, then after that, the next one is you will see some numbers here. Look at these numbers. You will see some numbers. You will see starting from 1 second, 1 hour, a day, and above. You will even go as far as seeing months, 6 months, 12 months. Okay, now these numbers, we call them time frame. These numbers are called time frame. Now, what is the work of time frame? This market, what you are seeing on my screen now, before I talk about time frame, this stands for buy. The blue ones stands for buy, while the red ones stands for sell. The blue one is for buy, while the red one is for sell. Remember, forex is all about buying and selling of currency pairs and also metals with other things. So the blue stands for buy. On your own screen, you might see green. It's still the same thing. I had to change the color because I like it. So this is buy and this is sell. We buy from the downside and we sell from the upside. I already said it. Now, what is the work of this currency time frame? This time frame controls what you are seeing on my screen. These things you are seeing on my screen is known as candlesticks. These are called candlesticks. And how do these candlesticks just appear? Do they appear from nowhere? Did they just start forming? No. They appear according to this time frame. So time frame controls this candlestick. For example, if I select 5 minutes time frame, if I go with 5 minutes time frame, it means every 5 minutes, that is when a new candlestick will form. So that is how all these candlesticks were formed. Now, if I select 1 hour time frame, it means every 1 hour, like now, if I select 1 hour time frame, it means every 1 hour, that is when just one candlestick will start forming again. Same thing goes for 4 hours, daily, weekly. So if I select weekly, it takes 1 week for one candlestick to form. Now, if you notice, you will see some counts down here. This is 13 minutes and it's counting down. This shows that it is remaining 13 minutes for a new candlestick to form under 1 hour. Okay, so this time frame has a rule. There is a time frame rule which I will be teaching you guys. But for now, you need to know everything in this TradingView, because this is where we will be analyzing our market. All our analysis will be on this TradingView. Okay, now after the time frame, the next thing you see is you see this symbol of candle. Now this symbol, under it you will see a lot. Now you will see candles, you will see bars, you will see halo candles, line markets, and all of that. Now different persons, they use different charts. Like this one, those that trade like stock indices and all, this is how their chart looks like. But we that trade forex, we use candles, because these candlesticks are what we use in trading forex, for forex traders. So different persons with different chart patterns. Okay, now after that place, you see indicator. You will see indicator. Now what is an indicator? These indicators serves as an extra confirmation in the market. Now let's say you want to buy. There are millions of indicators, or if not thousands, a lot of indicators. Let's say you want to buy. So now after those candles, the next one will be indicators. Now what are indicators? Indicator just serves as an extra confirmation in the market. That is all. So let's say you want to buy, indicator can direct you that this market will buy from this place or sell from this place, but it doesn't necessarily mean that that indicator is correct. It is created by human beings like us. Okay, there are hundreds and millions of indicators. So let me show you guys example. I was using this relative strength index before. So this is how indicators looks like. Now let's say you want to buy, the market might tell you when it goes above this particular spot, the market has overbought. When it goes below this particular spot, the market has oversold. But when it's between here and here, it means it is the right time to buy, it is the right time to sell. So this is more like an extra confirmation in the market, and I don't use them. I don't use any indicator. I go with plain chart. All right, I just go with plain chart only. Now after that, you will see alert. This alert here, in case you are a busy person, okay, in case you are busy, what you just have to do is, after your analysis, you just come to this alert and put, let's say you want the market to get to this point before you buy. Now you just copy this number 4100. Like now you copy 4100 and you create. If you create this, see, it means when the market gets to this particular point, they should notify you. Even on your phone, if you log in the same Gmail on your Telegram, on your app, they will notify you that the market is about to cross this particular line. So this is what alert stands for. Now, after that alert, you will see replay. You will see replay. Replay simply means for you to start. Okay, I think my premium is over. But replay simply means for you to replay every single chart that you've analyzed. If you started analysis here and you want to clarify or tell someone that you did this particular analysis and the person is doubting, or you are teaching just like as I'm doing, and you did the analysis, you want people to know that you actually did this, you can go ahead and replay this. Exactly what happened will be replayed. So now after the replay, you will see the unsaved, unnamed. So this place you don't touch anything because auto save is on. It means everything here will be saved, right? So you skip that part, you come to settings. So these settings, this is where you can be able to select the color of candlestick that you want. You can design your candlestick, do whatever you want, as far as you can be able to understand the one that stands for buy, the one that stands for sell. So under these settings, you can set every single thing that you want, right? Now after that settings, another important thing is this camera that you see here, this one. So this particular place is for taking screenshot of your charts. See, download image. If I download this image, let's open, it's here. Okay, we've downloaded this particular image. Now after that, the next one will be publish. We are not using this trade because you have to connect your broker to this place. That is why I will not be explaining here because we don't need it. Okay, after that you go to publish. Publish means if you take a screenshot, if you have an idea, you can publish it for people to see for free. You can interact with other traders. You can publish your idea here, record a video or speak your mind, which means you just type. Now after publishing, where will you see this particular thing that you published? This is the place here. That brings us to chat. This chat. Now we have the private chat and we have the public chat, which means under this chat you can be able to interact with different forex traders from different corner of the world. You understand? You can be able to interact with them. Now you can be able to see those that you messaged privately on this private. Now after that, another important thing is called the watch list. This one is known as the watch list. Now this watch list, all your best currency pairs, the one that you know that you understand best, because you cannot trade everything, all your best currency pairs, you put it under watch list. You put everything under watch list. It will be easier for you to navigate. Instead of to start typing again, you just put it here, and whenever you want to analyze, you just come to this place and you analyze, right? Now after this watch list, the next thing to look out for is these numbers. These are called quotes. These numbers are called quotes. These things you are seeing here is money. So when this number is reducing, if the market is going down, reducing, it is selling. If the number is going up, it means it is buying. So this is the number that we focus on to make money. In our next video, I will teach you guys how to use these numbers and make money, because this is where the actual money is. Okay, now after this number, you come down here. These numbers that you are seeing here, like 4th, 5th, 6th, these are dates. Now you will see this is August, and you can see August 6th, 5th, 7th, 8th. You understand? So these are dates. In case you take a trade and maybe you had a loss, me as your mentor, you told me on August 1st I had a loss on XAUUSD by 10:30. I can just request for your date, time, and when you took the trade. then I'll trace it back to what happened in this place. Okay, now inside the screen you will see something like revert. Then see, you can revert this chart, reset everything, or you can zoom out. Make the chart very tiny, and you see every single view of this chart. Or you can zoom in using this place, just like that. Now another place to zoom in, another step to zoom in and out, you can either use here, pinch with your two fingers, and this quote you pinch with your two fingers, then you can be able to zoom in and out. Someone will ask, what is this trading view used for? This trading view is where we analyze our market, then we trade on MT5. I'll teach you guys how to use MT5. Everything is gradual process. You need to stick to this channel in order for you to learn everything step by step. Now, on the next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make money just by using these numbers, how to calculate this money and how much you are going to make after the end of that video. So stick with me, because on the next video we talk about pips. If you're on this channel, subscribe, like and share this video to those that are interested in this trading journey. See you in the next video. Thank you.